What happens when a tiny puppy decides that every corner of the world is a new adventure? Meet this fearless little explorer who wakes up every morning with one mission: to discover something amazing. The adventure begins with a squeaky toy hidden under the couch. The puppy dives in headfirst, wiggles, rolls, and somehow comes out covered in dust, but proudly carrying the toy like a treasure hunter who found gold. Mission accomplished! Next stop, the backyard jungle. A butterfly flutters by, and the puppy takes off in hot pursuit. Left, right, jump! The butterfly escapes, but the puppy discovers something even better: a giant pile of crunchy leaves. Instant playground unlocked. Then comes the biggest challenge of the day: a puddle. The puppy stares at it, circles it, taps it with one paw, and suddenly, splash! Water flies everywhere as the puppy bounces through the puddle like it just invented fun. But the greatest adventure isn't outside. It's meeting new friends. A gentle kitten, a curious duck, even a giant dog 3 times its size. The puppy greets everyone with the same wagging tail and endless excitement. As the sun begins to set, our little adventurer finally slows down. Tired paws, happy heart, and a head full of memories. Because for puppies, every day is a chance to explore, learn, and spread joy. And tomorrow, a brand new adventure begins. Follow for more adorable puppy adventures and heartwarming pet moments.